Hello everyone. So this is a K-12 kit and today we are going to work on the project water pump control. So let's see how it's done. Before making the connections, make sure you have a container full of water and you have submerged the water pump inside it and connected the straw to it. Now let's do. First, we will connect the power to the slide switch. Then the red wire of the water pump to the slide switch and the negative to the ground. Now, before testing this project, make sure you hold the straw on the trim of the container so that the water doesn't spill outside. Now, let's check by turning the switch on. See how the water keeps circulating as long as the switch is turned on. As soon as we turn it off, it stops. Let's check again. And this is how it works.